Throughout the 2-day forum here at HPI, it's extremely powerful, but also very motivating to see how many people want to not only come together, but really do something to move our healthcare systems forward.
That's great, I love it. The main challenge of how to transform the German health industry and health sector is bridging the gap between theory, academics, industry, and real patient improvements.
The tone of the discussions today is not theoretical. We've been talking about what we need to do now and how we execute on it.
This is a forum where you can really talk about solutions that are really working on the spot. You know, it's not only technology, but it's really human-centered.
I think with AI, we can actually deliver, diagnoses and treatments at home, virtually.
I'm excited about the possibility of patients using AI directly. It will make people more literate and also more able to manage their own care process.
In the digital health field in Germany, this has become such a must-attend conference, an instant classic, I would say.
Inviting the participants to different workshop sessions gives the opportunity to translate the leading edge of research back to practice, but we could also bring these insights from practice back to the research conversations.
I liked the workshop a lot. They gave us so many insights, secret tips. Yeah, it was amazing.
After a couple of hours of deep, detailed discussion, we are all, I believe, much more elevated for what we can do tomorrow to make the healthcare ecosystems better.